Here we are aboard the Island Current 3. Steady action on the Island Current 2. Got the Island Current 1 swinging fish. Island Current 3 swinging fish. Here's a man working here, piled up. Another one on, gaff. Need a gaff over here. Open your eyes. Piled up. Another one on. Here's a man working. Lock and load. Whoa, look at that fish going. Piled up. Come on, boys. Make some noise. Turn them handles. Another one on in the bow. Keep turning the handles. Piled up. Look at the size of that critter. Big blues. Big blues. Another one on. Man working here. Piled up in the pulpit of the Island Current 2. Big blues flying. Nice fish. How'd it feel? How'd it feel? Beautiful.
Great.
Here they are piled up. Need a jig over here. Another nice fish coming. Flying these babies. Oh boy. Another one on. How'd it feel? Come on, describe that action there. Beautiful, beautiful. Nice fish. Let's get some jigs on there. Get them down there. 60-foot piles of fish. Bailing them, bailing them. There you go. Come on, get them back down there. Get another one. Another one on. Keep going, guys. Keep turning them handles. Fast, steady reeling. They're piled up. Fish on. Okay, got to get back on this big batch. There's the Island Current 1 pulling away. Island Current 3 pulling away. Everyone bent up here. Piled up. Beautiful. There's a fish in the stern coming. Another one on. Rods are bending. Well, look at that rod bending here. Piled up here. Nice fish. Leave him in the water. Get her a new rod, Louie. She says she doesn't like that rod. Get her a new rod. The lady right here.
You want to have the fish over there?